Hey guys, how's it going? How to get free money on Cash App. So, to potentially earn money on Cash App, invite friends to join Cash App and earn bonus when they sign up and use the app. Use the Cash card with boost offers to save on purchases, and keep an eye out for any promotions or giveaways from Cash App. Be cautious of scams claiming to offer free money. So, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you.